which diameter to use. So we're gonna kind of give her, first off, give her a really nice little brush through. Let's see. I like to lift the lid with a finger so that I can see all layers while I'm doing this. Feel free to do that as well. It does take a little while to get used to, but it is really, really helpful when you're working. So this lash right here is a really healthy natural lash. And I would say it's pretty wiry and strong, but I would say that on average, this lash could hold up to a 0.18. However, I'm not going to use a 0.18 on it. I'm going to use a 0.15. I think that's a little bit of a better suit. And if you're unsure of which diameter lash your client can handle, you can actually take one of your lash extensions and hold it up to the natural lash. It shouldn't be any more than a third thicker or longer than the natural lash. So you can hold it up and see, is this a good fit? This is a 0.15, and in fact, it is a good fit. So that's a really good one for those lashes. But let me show you something. Just because I know that her strongest lashes can hold a 0.15, that does not mean that all of her lashes can hold that. For example, this one in particular can only hold a max of a 0.1, just to keep them nice and healthy. You could probably hold a little bit more, but I would use a shorter length in a 0.1 just so I didn't have to skip it, but so it still stayed really nice and strong and grew really healthy. So next, let's find another one. So this lash right here, this would be more like a 0.12 lash. So I wouldn't put much weight on that either. It's very fine. And this is totally normal. Everyone's lashes, every healthy lash set that you do will have all of these different growth stages in one set. Again, this is a really strong, healthy, natural lash. Also remember, her lashes are blonde. Just because they're blonde doesn't mean that they're not strong. Another one, this is about a 0.12 lash. If you're unsure, just veer on the side of caution. We never want to damage somebody's lashes. She has every single stage of growth within her lashes, which is definitely a really good sign of healthy, natural lashes. So I feel very good about lashing her lashes, but definitely have to be careful because we don't ever want to put lashes that are too strong on any of her lashes. We want to keep them nice and healthy.